This is TSD54E, and now here we will show you how to replace pickup door lock. First, you need to log in this machine. Go to Advanced menu. Driver, go to debugger. And here you need to open the installation plate. Click confirm, click execute. Now the installation plate open. Then open the control cabinet and power off this machine. And open the front door. Now we need to unscrew this screw and on the both sides. We remove this screw first. The same operation for the other side. Now we take out the pickup door. Now we disconnect these two cables. Now find something to support the pickup door. This cable cannot disconnect it. And now we gonna remove these two cover plate. First we remove this plate. And you need to remove these 4 screws to take out this plate. Now remove this plate. Same operation for the other side. Remove this plate. Now you can see these 2 parts. We need to remove these 2 parts. Use the knife driver. Now we need to remove these 6 screws. Take out these 2 plates. Now hold the 2 sides of this lock. Take out the black part first. Okay, now take out the white part. Now this is the pickup door lock cable. It includes 5 different cables. 1 cable was unconnected and the other 4 cables are connected. Now we need to remove the tape. Now you can see these 4 cables are connected and this cable are unconnected. We need to remove the tape. Now we have removed the tape. You can see there are 4 different cables are connected. Now we need to unconnect these cables. This is the full complete lock. Now we need to prepare a new lock. Okay. Install the white part first. Okay. Then put this black part inside the pickup door. Okay. Now put these two cover plate back. Now connect these four cables. Okay, now we use tape to seal these four cables. After the sealing, put it back to the pickup door. Now we fix these two cover plate by using these 6 screws. And need to fix these two plates by using the knots. Now we need to fix this cover plate for this lock. Connect these two cables. Now we put back the pickup door. Now we fix this side of pickup door. Now fix the other side.